In this video, we will discuss the share market outlook as on 18th April 2021. This presentation will cover the understanding of moving average, technical analysis of Nifty 50, candlestick chart of Nifty 50, resistance level of Nifty 50, international fund for diversification, market outlook and strategy to deal with the market. Let us discuss the concept of moving average. So I have taken the hypothetical data of it down from 1st January to 16th January and I have calculated the moving average. The moving average is the average of previous 7 days. So on 7th January, I have summed up the new COVID cases from 1st January to 7th January and divided the same by 7. Similarly, on 8th January, I have taken the data from 2nd January to 8th January. So I have left the data of 1st January and added the data of 8th January. So this is called moving average, and the same concept is used in technical analysis of shares. So let us discuss the same in next slide. So I have plotted the Nifty 50 index and the closing price as on 16th April of Nifty 50 is below 20 days moving average and 50 days moving average. So share market is not bullish at all in near and mid duration. Of course, Nifty 50 closing price is way above the 200 moving average. So in long term, share market is still in bullish phase. In the next slide, I have discussed the Nifty 50 candlestick chart. So here I have drawn two bold yellow line which shows the immediate support level which is around 14,250 and resistance level which is around 14,900. So in next week we are expected that market should move in these two level. In the next slide, I have shown the key index point and resistance level. This slide is similar as I have used in previous presentation. In the next slide, I have shown 3 international funds to diversify our risk of portfolio. These 3 funds has given very good return in last 1 year, and we can consider adding one more international fund which I have shown in the next slide, which is Motilal Oswal S&P 500 Index Fund. The US market is doing very well and S&P 500 index represent the top 500 companies in US. US economy is expected to grow around 7% this year, and all the 3 indicators of US share market, that is Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Nasdaq, have peaked in last week and market is in bullish trend. So to manage our risk and diversify our portfolio, we may consider investing in this S&P 500 index fund through Motilal Oswal or any other mutual fund which is available. So you can do your own research. I have identified one mutual fund for you. The present market outlook: due to severe impact of COVID cases, we must watch Indian market closely, and in future share market may decline slightly. So there should not be any hurry to purchase the shares. Once COVID-19 situation start improving or COVID cases peak is achieved, we can resume buying in share market in a staggered manner. On last Saturday, HDFC result were shown, and first time on quarter to quarter basis, HDFC Bank profit has declined. So this may impact the share market negatively on Monday, that is 19th April, and at the same time it may drag the other share of various banks. At present, we must consider investing in US share market through S&P 500 index because it is a broad-based index and our risk will be less. The present video is for academic purpose only. Viewers are expected to do